Hello there! Today we're doing a via, a multi-pitch called Lo Spigolo Nascosto at Santa Massenza. Here's the Centrale Elettrica, the electric station of Santa Massenza. We parked just here, a big parking lot. Here's the lake of Santa Massenza. After half an hour of walk, we're gonna arrive to the edge, which we're gonna climb today. Leaving behind the station and the first house on the left, we should be going on this path on the left. We climbed first 100 meters of path. Here's a path that goes to the right. We don't take it. There is Ometto. We're gonna climb another 50 meters and then turn right. Okay, now we're passing by a climbing crag. You can see bolts on the wall, maybe. It's what the relation says. I also translated it into English. I will put a link in the description. By the way, this is how relation looks like. Behind us, where the guys are, is the start of the first pitch, the one that is optional. You can add it, then there will be a little bit of walking in the woods, and then the actual multi-pitch starts. Okay, now coming from the path, we arrive to a sharp bend. There is a P2 sign over here. Then if we start going to the left, here is the start of a multi-pitch called the GMD, and our starter is going to be somewhere over there. Ciao Costanza. And here we are. This is the start, and the edge, I believe, is going to be this one, and goes up and up and up and up. Okay, while Costanza is on the first pitch, I will try to read the relation. So the first pitch is 50 meters. The maximum difficulty is 3+, alpinistic grade. There should be 2 bolts. They are marked with X's. That's probably it. Okay, so we arrived at the top. This is the last anchor, the tree. So we did a good 250 meters of this edge here, and here's the lake, and I guess that's it. Now, to descend from the path we actually need to do a little bit more climbing on this path, and then then we will join another path that goes down. In total it takes an hour, 1 hour to go down. Okay, so that was the Multipitch Spigolo Nascosto. It took us half an hour to get to the start. The 5 pitches we did took us 3.5 hours, a little bit less, to climb in 3 people. And the pitches were up to 50 meters long, up to 4th grade alpinistic. And the descent took us around 1 hour. It was not very good path. And yeah, in the middle of April it is already kind of too hot here. So that would be it. Thank you for watching.